Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health World, your space for natural remedies, simple health tips, and wellness hacks that actually work. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing family because every week we unlock natural secrets that change your health and lifestyle for the better. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever looked into the mirror and thought, oh no, my eyes look so tired. These dark circles under eye make us look dull, older, and honestly, even when we are not tired, they make us look exhausted. But the good news is you don't have to live with them. Today, I am sharing 5 natural, easy, and effective remedies that can actually reduce dark circles fast and make your under eyes area look fresh and glowing again. And the best part, you don't need expensive creams or salon treatments. These are remedies straight from your home, simple and budget friendly. Now let's get started. Remedy 1, cold tea bath, the instant refresher. Let's start with one of the fastest hacks, cold tea baths. Both green tea and black tea are rich in antioxidants and caffeine, which shrink blood vessels under your eyes and reduce puffiness and darkness. Let's see how to make it. Take 2 used tea bags. Keep them in a refrigerator about 30 minutes. Place them on your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. You will be surprised. This works almost instantly to make your eyes. If you had a late night, this is your go-to fix-it. Remedy 2. Cucumber slice, cooling and brightening. Now, who does not know the famous cucumber trick? But let me tell you why it actually works. Cucumber loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K, which helps lighten skin tone and improves blood circulation. Cut fresh cucumber into thick slices. Chill them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Place on your eyes for 10 minutes. Do this daily for a week and you will notice dark circles start fading naturally. It's refreshing, soothing, and honestly feels like a mini spa at home. Remedy 3, potato juice, the natural bleacher. This one is a hidden gem. Raw potato juice. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agent and vitamin C, which helps brighten the under eyes area and reduce pigmentation. Grate a raw potato and squeeze out the juice. Dip cotton pad into a juice and place them under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with cold water. Trust me, if you use this for 3 to 4 times a week, you will see visible lightening in your dark circles within a couple of weeks. Remedy 4. Aloe vera gel, the healer. Dark circles are not always about pigmentation. Something is dryness and lack of hydration that make them worst. That's where aloe vera gel works wonders. It hydrates, nourishes, and improves skin elasticity around the eyes. Let's see how to use it. Take fresh aloe vera gel straight from the plant if possible. Apply a thin layer under your eyes before going to bed. Leave it overnight and wash it in the morning. Do this every night and you will wake up with soft and brightening under eyes. It's also anti-inflammatory and it reduces puffiness too. Remedy 5. Almond oil and vitamin E, the night repair combo. And finally, the best powerful long-term solution, almond oil mixed with vitamin E. Almond oil is rich in healthy fat and vitamin E itself. It is an antioxidant powerhouse. Together, they repair skin circulation and fade dark patches. Mix 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 vitamin E capsule. Gently massage these under your eyes for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it overnight. This remedy gives visible results in 2 to 3 weeks if used daily. It's like giving your under eyes a natural night cream. Remedies alone won't work if you don't fix the root causes. Here are few simple lifestyle changes that make huge difference in preventing dark circles. Sleep well, at least 7 to 8 hours daily. Stay hydrated. Drink enough of water to flush toxins. Cut down on salt and junk foods. They cause water retention and puffiness. Use sunscreen because sun damage makes dark circles worse. Manage stress. Yoga, meditation, or even daily walk helps keep your skin healthy. So, there you have it, 5 simple natural remedies that you can easily try at home, plus some lifestyle hacks to change these stubborn dark circles away. Remember, consistency is the key. Don't expect overnight miracles. If you use these remedies regularly, you will definitely notice your eyes becoming brighten, soften, and healthier. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are also struggling with dark circles, and of course, don't forget to subscribe the Health Vault for more natural health tips every week. Drop a comment below and tell me which remedy you are going to try first and how was the results. I do love to know. I will see you in the next video here at the Health Vault. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.